1 minus 8, parentheses 1 minus 8. Easy. 1 minus 8 gives us negative 7. And here again, we have 1 minus 8, which also equals negative 7. Here, parentheses means multiplication. So negative 7 times negative 7 equals positive 49. Yes! But, shit, that's wrong answer. Do you know where's the mistake? Let me tell you, as we didn't follow the rule of mathematics, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, where priority shifts from left to right, here first we have to solve P, which stands for parentheses, then E, which stands for exponent, then M, which stands for multiplication, then D, which stands for division, after then A, which stands for addition, and lastly S, which stands for subtraction. One thing keep in mind that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to start from left to right, and same goes for addition and subtraction. For all such mathematical operations, we have to start from left to right order, okay? All right, in this expression, we have 1 parentheses and 2 subtraction, okay? So according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this parentheses and then subtractions. And inside this parentheses, we have 1 minus 8, which equals negative 7. And the remainings are 1 minus 8. Now our equation be like 1 minus 8 parentheses negative 7. Okay guys, focus. Here are 2 operations, such that subtraction and multiplication. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to a parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So 8 times negative 7 equals negative 56. In next step, negative times negative gives us positive 56, and write this 1 as it is. And lastly here, 1 plus 56 gives us 57. 57 is our answer to this problem. So 1 minus 8 parentheses 1 minus 8 equals 57. Want more math hacks? Click the video below. Haha.